Welcome everyone. Today I'll show you how to update your AppImage files the automatic way. Instead of manually searching for and replacing old files, we'll use a powerful tool called AppManager. Let's dive in. First, head over to the AppManager GitHub repository to grab the tool. Go to the releases page and download the latest stable release of AppManager-x86_64. Once the download finishes, navigate to the file, right-click, and choose Properties. Go to the Permissions tab and check the box that says Allow Executing File as Program. Then close the window. Double-click the file. A setup window will pop up to install it. Drag the AppManager icon into the Applications folder inside the pop-up and confirm by hitting the Install button. Now, the installation should have created an Applications folder in your home directory. Open this folder and double-click the AppManager app. The app will open to an empty list. Start by importing your existing AppImages into AppManager. This places them in one convenient hub where they can be tracked and updated automatically. Once imported, you can easily launch AppManager at any time by searching for it in your system's Start menu. Let's look at how to update a tool right from the interface. Tap on an app you want to update. We'll use AppManager itself as an example, currently at version v 3.6.5. Hit the Update button. The file manager will show the download progress and complete the update automatically. Currently at version v 3.6.5. To confirm the update, I'm going to switch to the file manager to see the app being replaced in real time. Speeding forward to complete update. And the app was replaced successfully without leaving an old version behind. Our app is now updated to version v 3.7.1. To check for updates for all of your imported apps at once, simply click the Check for Updates button. Next, I'll show you how to download and seamlessly add a new AppImage to AppManager. Download your chosen AppImage like AppImage Pool or Appify from the AppImage Hub. Select the latest version of your preferred app, wait for Download button, choose folder destination. Once the download is complete, locate the file, right-click and select Open With, then choose AppManager. Drag and drop the app into the Applications folder shown on the pop-up, confirm the installation, and launch it. Cool! Your app is now open, used, and permanently added to AppManager to track future updates. You're all set to maintain a clutter-free and updated Linux app library. If you found this video helpful, please support the channel by hitting that like button and subscribing. See you in the next one.